Are you still flipping pancakes with a regular spoon or crying over chopped onions? Say goodbye to kitchen chaos and hello to culinary convenience. Here are 15 must-have kitchen gadgets that'll make your inner chef do a happy dance. Let's dive in. Latte Art Pen. Unleash your inner barista and doodle on your drinks. This pen lets you draw with cocoa powder or frothed milk. Hearts, leaves, or smiley faces. You're the artist. Impress guests or just make Mondays better. Coffee plus creativity equals morning masterpiece. Standable rice spoon. Tired of your spoon touching everything but hygiene? This clever rice spoon stands tall like a proud samurai, never lying flat. No more sticky countertops or sauce puddles. It's perfect for rice, stews, and even mashed potatoes. One small scoop for man, one giant leap for kitchen cleanliness. Tea infuser. Why sip basic tea when you can brew like a wizard? This tea infuser turns loose leaves into liquid gold. Pop in your favorite blend, dip it, steep it, sip it, magic. No bags, no waste, just pure aromatic bliss. Every cup feels like a cozy hug from the inside. Indoor garden kit. No backyard? No problem. Grow basil next to your blender. This kit brings the garden into your kitchen year-round. Fresh herbs, zero pesticides, and a sprinkle of pride. LEDs do the sun's job. No green thumb required. It's like Farmville, but real and edible. Dip clip fries plus sauce equals heaven until the dip goes flying. Clip this genius onto your plate and dip without the drip. It's sturdy, handy, and a total game changer for snacks. Great for ketchup, guac, hummus, or even fondue. Snack smarter, not messier. Pineapple corer. Taming pineapples just got painless. This corer peels, cores, and slices in one twist. No more slippery knives or uneven chunks. Just spiral cut perfection. Like fruit art for your snack plate. Tropical vibes, zero mess. Oil filter tray with mesh basket. Frying fanatics, meet your new cleanup crew. This tray separates oil from the crunch like a kitchen ninja. Pour, strain, and reuse without the mess. Your counter stays spotless and your oil stays usable. Crispy dreams, less waste. Teapot. Warmer tea getting cold before your second pour? This little device keeps it warm without microwaving it to oblivion. Pop a tea light below and enjoy toasty brews for hours. Charming and functional. A cozy vibe in gadget form. The tea stays hot and the mood stays calm. Holy spattle, spoon or ladle? Trick question, it's both. This multi-tool stirs, scoops, drains, and serves. Perfect for soup 1 minute, pasta the next. Its holy head drains while saving space. Your drawer just found its MPV. Air Hood Portable Kitchen Air Cleaner. No vent? No problem. Air Hood's got your back. This portable purifier sucks up smoke and odors like a champ. Cook bacon without fogging up the house. It's sleek, quiet, and totally rechargeable. Oil pourer cap. Ditch the drips and greasy bottles. This smart cap turns any oil bottle into a precision tool. Control the flow like a culinary artist. No spills, no slick surfaces, just pour perfection. It's the tiny gadget with a huge impact. Dual Blaze Air Fryer. Say hello to crispy, juicy, evenly cooked everything. This air fryer uses dual heating elements for the perfect crunch. Fry, bake, roast, or reheat with less oil. Touchscreen settings make it feel futuristic. It's like having a personal chef without the paycheck. Food warming mat. Dinner ready, but the family's late? No sweat. This mat keeps your food warm without overcooking it. Perfect for potlucks, buffets, or picky eaters. Plug it in, set your dish on top, and relax. Warm food, happy mood. Pizza oven. Skip delivery. Make pizzeria quality pizza at home. This countertop oven hits high temps fast for a crispy crust. Cheese bubbles, crust crackles, just like Naples intended. Perfect for pies, flatbreads, or even roasted veggies. Warning, you may never order out again. Bread maker machine. Your house is about to smell amazing. Dump in your ingredients, hit a button, and voila, fresh bread. Kneads, rises, and bakes like a dough whisperer. From sourdough to sandwich loaves, it's bakery-level brilliance. Bonus, it's oddly therapeutic to watch. Rechargeable milk frother lattes at home? Yes, please. This handheld frother turns any milk into a silky foam cloud. Rechargeable, powerful, and easy to clean. Whip up cafe vibes in 10 seconds flat. Espresso machines are crying in jealousy. Cupcake maker. Who needs an oven when cupcakes cook in minutes? This gadget bakes bite-sized treats fast, with zero preheat drama. Perfect for parties, late-night cravings, or sweet surprise moments. Easy cleanup, no trays, and uniform cupcakes every time. Dessert just got dangerously convenient. Momo dumpling maker. Your dumpling dreams? Wrapped up and ready. This gadget folds and seals in one satisfying press. No more leaky edges or time-consuming hand crimping. Great for momos, empanadas, pierogies, you name it. Perfect folds every time, like a pro chef's secret weapon. Salad chopper, ditch the oversized knife and upgrade your greens. This gadget chops salads directly in the bowl. No extra mess, no extra cutting board. It's fast, fun, and oddly satisfying to use. Healthier eating, now with less cleanup. Pan Buddy sore wrists from lifting heavy pans? Meet your new sidekick. The Pan Buddy attaches to your skillet and adds grip support. Safer, easier pouring. No wobbling, no burns. Ideal for cast iron and deep cookware. Your wrists will thank you. Meat slicer. Why pay deli prices when you can slice at home? This slicer handles ham, cheese, bread, you name it. Adjustable thickness and professional precision. Save money, impress guests, and snack smarter. Slice it your way every day. Thermal coffee. Carafe coffee should stay hot, not lukewarm. This carafe keeps your brew toasty for hours. Stainless steel, leak-proof, and table-ready. Great for meetings, brunches, or solo caffeine marathons. Hot coffee. Cold regret avoided. Grocery bag dispenser. Tired of that overflowing bag of bags drawer? This dispenser stores and dispenses them neatly. Pull one out, stuff one in. It's that easy. Mount it, stick it, or stash it anywhere. Declutter your kitchen like a storage wizard. Ice cream mold. Who needs the store when you've got mold magic? Make your own popsicles, gelato bars, or fruit creations. Just pour, freeze, and enjoy endless customization. Perfect for kids or adults who still act like them. Summer, frozen and served on a stick. Chop box, smart cutting board. It's not just a board, it's a full-blown kitchen station. Built-in scale, timer, knife sharpener, and even UV sterilizer. Chop, measure, and sanitize in one space-saving slab. The future of food prep is officially here. This board works smarter, not harder. Bagel slicer. Love bagels, hate finger injuries. This slicer glides through with safety and style. No more uneven halves or squished middles. It's the brunch hero you didn't know you needed. Crisp cuts without the bloodshed. Soup maker, from raw ingredients to warm, velvety soup, in one machine. Chop, cook, blend, and heat with a single touch. Great for healthy eaters or chilly days. Minimal effort, maximum flavor. It's like having a chef trapped inside your countertop. Burger press. Get the perfect patty every single time. This press shapes and packs meat or plant-based effortlessly. Add fillings, stack layers, or keep it classic. Uniform burgers mean even cooking and better flavor. Barbecue season, dashuri, officially upgraded. Egg yolk separator. Say goodbye to slippery shell juggling. This tool sucks up yolks like a little culinary vacuum. Perfect for meringues, carbonara, or health kicks. Clean separation, no shell shards. It's oddly fun and ridiculously effective. Milk maker oat, almond, soy, make any plant milk from scratch. Blend, heat, and strain in one go. No additives, no weird aftertaste, just fresh, pure milk. Great for vegans, lactose-sensitive folks, or DIY lovers. Mother Nature's milk, now homemade. Food cover. Umbrella keep bugs off your BBQ and dust off your snacks. These mesh umbrellas pop open over your plates like magic. Lightweight, foldable, and picnic ready. Great for outdoor parties or open-air kitchens. Food stays fresh without surprise visitors. Dream Farm Sapoon Spoon meets spatula in this hybrid genius. Scrapes, scoops, measures, and serves without touching the counter. It even stands on its own. Great for sauces, batters, and anything sticky. One Sapoon to rule them all. Dish wand scrub with soap right inside the handle. Push, clean, rinse. Your sponge just got an upgrade. No slippery bars or messy sink areas. Ice cream scoop rock solid scoops without bending your spoon. This tool is engineered for frozen firm desserts. Ergonomic grip, thermal tip, and smooth release. Perfect balls of joy every time. Ice cream night equals scooper victory. Coconut opener tool set. Crack coconuts like a beachside pro. This set pokes, splits, and scoops with zero struggle. No machete skills required. Just twist and sip. Enjoy fresh coconut water or meat with ease. Tropical living, delivered in stainless steel. That's a wrap on round 2 of kitchen must-haves. Which one are you adding to the cart right now? If you like this gadget rundown, give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe. Your countertop deserves the best. Keep cooking smarter, not harder. See you next time, Kitchen Warriors.